American Eagle, Arizona, Carter's, Cato, Cherokee, Gap, Hollister, Justice, Limited 2, Okie Dokie, Old Navy, Oshkosh, Ralph Lauren, Talbot's, The Children's Place, and more. And it looks like Circo, C-I-R-C-O.
Go. Here goes our gravel. Let's take a look over here at our woodland simulator. Let's come down to here, guys. All right, somebody needs to track it. This one's already down here. All right, you and Elspeth, would you please continue to track this? All right, Sam, would you and Soraya, since you guys have been such an effective team this morning, would y'all track this woodland simulator for us? Still got movement? So now this is a grass simulator. Grass.
That's another one.
Was that you or was that me?
That was me. It's shredding.
All right, is this something you wanted to show me, Sam?
Oh, look how many oranges they listed. That's a whole orange, that's a whole orange, that's a whole one. That's a whole one.
And we thought it was just a bunch of trays, right?
That's cool.
How you liking this?
I knew kids waste.
Not at all.
Me either. Me either.
Wait, if they're gonna waste so many oranges, why don't they just stop serving oranges? I want to put the jacket down there. I kind of want it. It's kind of like that.
The little.
Alcohol.
Don't do that. Holler at your brother. Okay. Which one's worse? That's not a good sign.
This looks a little weird.
I'm actually recording you reading to yourself. See, recording.
Michael.
I got a laugh there. There's a laugh. There's me talking. See, me. God, that's huge.